Hey, this is Charles from InfoSpike, and I want to go over home business ideas for stay-at-home moms. Obviously, I'm not a mother, but I am a father of three kids, and I understand the challenges of having to take care of kids, trying to find a very flexible type of business to work around my schedule instead of my client's schedule. Before, I used to be in a service-based business where most of my time was setting appointments around other people's schedule, and it's very tough to do that, especially when you are taking care of children. So I'm going to go over what are the great options that you can do. And there's going to be, of course, pros and cons for all these, but I'll go through them very quick just so you have a good idea. And I'll also leave a link in my description if you want to read more, especially from this article. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the top options here. So the first option here is virtual assistant services, like let's say admin support, bookkeeping, social media, also selling handmade crafts and products. I recommend checking out Etsy. Also doing print on demand where you can actually upload graphics that you create or even create through AI. You could use artificial intelligence to generate images nowadays, and you could place these images on mugs, t-shirts, hats, and all these kind of things. So that is an option. That's called print on demand. You could do that through Etsy very easily. And then another option is becoming an independent consultant. There's different approaches of becoming an independent consultant, like even a coach, and you can provide things from your own experiences and knowledge. And there's also some systems out there from direct sales companies where you can provide their products and services and make commissions. Next option is teaching classes or lessons online. If you are a teacher, there are a wide variety of options. But if you want to actually make some serious money, I would say consider making your own courses on your own platform. If you just want to get started, check out udemy.com where you can use another platform to do the marketing for you. And all you do is upload your course. It's very easy. That's again Udemy, udemy.com. Next option is freelance writing. This is something where you can either write articles, write books, edit any of those, and even essays. So check out Upwork.com and Fiverr.com. That's Fiverr with a Fiverr.com. And some people have been able to create very lucrative businesses, even to replace full time income doing this when they do it at scale. Another option is providing child or pet care. There's babysitting, pet care, dog walking. I'll say that childcare, it can be very, very lucrative. I've seen people start up in Silicon Valley and even within a year make $250,000. But the thing is, it doesn't give you a lot of flexibility. And many of these people I know, they can't even take breaks when they want to. So keep that in mind. And then selling on e-commerce marketplaces, whether it's Etsy, eBay, Amazon, you can sell your own items or you could even resell goods. Some people will even go to offline, or I should say offline shops too, but I'd say overseas shops where they could buy products at a very extreme discount, like let's say at Alibaba.com. That's in Asia, and people will resell those items here in America and make some very good money. Next option is becoming an influencer. If you want to put yourself out there, there's ways to do that. And some people have been talking about, like, let's say, AI or faceless influencers. It's very tough for just the typical people out there, especially if you're not very technical. So the main idea here is putting yourself out there and making money from sponsored content, sponsored posts, and there are so many other ways to do it. But the main thing is to grow your audience. Next thing is launching a YouTube channel. The biggest difference between this and a social media influencer is that you're creating content that is not just short and punchy, it's creating a lot of value or entertainment. And typically the videos are, let's say, 8 minutes or longer. Some people might create 3 minute videos, but I'd say 8 to 10 minute videos are the typical approach, especially if you want to get monetized through YouTube. Many of the people will monetize through YouTube, which is owned by Google, and they can make very good money from that and also do a bunch of other things, like let's say sponsored videos and such to make money. Last option I'll talk about is affiliate marketing. It is a very low cost way to start a business where you make money by promoting other people's products and get paid a commission. If you just start off with, like, let's say Amazon, they have an affiliate program where you can promote products from them. The commissions are relatively low, like let's say 3, 4%. and you have to sell very high volume or sell products that are very expensive to actually get very good commissions. And I'm talking about products like, let's say, mattresses that could cost hundreds or thousands of dollars or something like that. That's just an example. I would say that there are many other affiliate networks or companies that allow you to make money by promoting their products. And if you want to learn more, that's what I focus on. You could go to my website, infospike.com, and learn a lot more about this process, this system called affiliate marketing. And that's what I specialize in. And it's something that I could do any time of day. And a lot of the things that I have seen in many other offline businesses, especially with service-based businesses calling up people and trying to do things on other people's time, that's very difficult. But with affiliate marketing, I've been able to build a business just about any time of day. And it is up to you what schedule you want to do. You can do things on your own terms. And that's the great thing about it. It's extremely flexible. So if you want to learn more, go ahead and check out infospike.com. Thank you for watching.